Catch. Woo-hoo! Missed. Missed. Good job. Stand tall. Stand tall. Would you like one? No? Okay. Oops. Yay! You want to catch a shoe? Two straws. Different matter. One's plastic, and paper. You like the paper straw? Plastic. Hey, Max, you want to turn around? Turn around. Turn around. Come on. Turn. Turn. Yeah, if you're going to be stubborn, I will turn the entire perch. Nice perch being on wheels. Max has a yellow Lego. It's a cube. It's kind of square, isn't it? And Tico has a yellow straw. Good. Look at all those new feathers coming in. Oh, you look like a porcupine. Max, see the porcupine? Yeah, big Max. Yeah, can I go after the top of your head, please? That's going to bug me all day unless you let me go after it, honey. Yeah, I know. I know. There you go. Another cup. Good job. Catch. Oh, it's a lighter cup. Oh, shoes are tough to catch. Yay, you caught the shoe. Is there anything still within reach? Okay. Another bagel. Bagel. Really? Stand tall. Bagel. Cup. Good job.